Hey, what's up, YouTube? Let's do a little unboxing, huh? I never had a pair of 6x9s before. They go in my new truck that I haven't even introduced to the channel yet. I got rid of the Subaru, and I got a 2022 Chevy Colorado. And I thought these 6x9s were a pretty good deal. They're NVX X Series 6x9s. This is my first pair of 6x9s I ever had in my life. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Real carbon fiber. Yep, it's real. And they're pretty heavy. 150 watts RMS, 450 peak. I think somebody said something about these being the same as the Sherwin Vegas, which are substantially more money. They kind of look like Sundown X or Sundown 6x9s too, but they don't have the fancy terminals. But for 150 bucks, man, pretty badass 6x9. I guess we'll have to hear them one of these days. Have a good one, YouTube.